Hello, my name is Dr. Dewan S. Raja. Today I will discuss about the anatomy of the neurons. What are the neurons? Neurons are the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Neurons do not go through cell division, so no mitosis in the neuron. They receive information from the receptor organs or from other neurons. A neuron has a cell body. This is the cell body. Dendrites, these small processes are the dendrites. And then axon. An axon comes out of the axon hillock of the cell body. This part has no Nissl body or rough endoplasmic reticulum and the free ribosomes. So this is the initiation of the axon, and this part is called axon hillock. This part is a part which is no Nissl body, rough endoplasmic reticulum, or the free ribosomes. Dendrites are just extension of the cytoplasm, and dendrite contains everything from the cytoplasm except the nucleus and the Golgi apparatus. The axon, we have the axon from the axon hillock. Okay, if we go here, the cell body of the neuron is also called the perikaryon or soma. Nerve cell body contains large nucleus. This is very large nucleus. Okay, a prominent nucleoli. This is the nucleoli. And inclusion bodies. We'll find out that inclusion bodies in the cell. It is present. Okay, plasma limal surface is sensitive to neurotransmitter. This is the plasma limal surface. This is plasma limal surface. Nerve cell bodies has Nissl substance. Nissl substance means the accumulation of the violet color in some type of staining that indicates the rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as the free ribosomes. Okay, this forms the Nissl substance. Despite that, the cell body also contains mitochondria. We got the mitochondria here, mitochondria, and also Golgi apparatus. And in the dendrite, there is no Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is here in the cell, may go through the axons. Okay. It also contains lysosome, microtubules, neurofilaments, and microfilament and inclusion bodies. Okay, neurofilament is very important for a patient with Alzheimer's disease. There will be neurofibrillary tangles in their brain. So we got the dendrite, we got the axon. This part is axon hillock. This part has no Nissl body. This is dendrite. It should contain the everything of the cytoplasm except the Golgi apparatus in the dendrite. Okay. So we have inclusion bodies in the neuron cell body or soma. Inclusion bodies are not membrane bound. They are the byproduct usually, like lipofuscin granule as aging pigment. It is a aging pigment. Okay, so this is an aging pigment. Neuromelanin that is present in the substantia nigra and locus coeruleus of the brain stem. So we got that the neuromelanin in the substantia nigra of the midbrain. Like that, we'll get Lewy body also in the midbrain in Parkinson's disease. Hirano body will get this in the hippocampus. We'll get the Hirano bodies, and also in the Alzheimer's patient. Okay, we'll get the Alzheimer's patient will get the Hirano body in the hippocampus. Hirano body is present in the hippocampus. Lewy body is present in the substantia nigra. Neomelanin is present in the substantia nigra. Both of them also present in the locus ceruleus. Lipofuscin granule may be deposited in any of the neurons. Okay, so we'll go to the classification of the neuron. Okay, how can we classify that? Okay, first of all, here we have three types according to the process: unipolar or pseudounipolar in the dorsal root ganglion and in the trigeminal ganglion. We have to find out what is that and where it is located. Okay, in case of special sensation, we need this nerve. Okay, so we have unipolar, bipolar. Bipolar neurons are present in the area where there is special sensation is required, like in the olfactory epithelium. There is upper 1/3 of the nasal cavity. Okay, so that is the site for the bipolar neuron. Also in the internal ear, we'll get the bipolar neuron. We'll get also bipolar neuron in the retina of the eye. Multiple neurons are present everywhere. Motor neurons, interneurons, and pyramidal cells, Purkinje cells. These are multipolar neurons. Okay, maybe short neuron, maybe interneuron. Okay, we are here. Bipolar neuron. Okay, in the retina, in the inner ear, we'll get the bipolar neuron. We have the here is the bipolar neuron. We have one axon here and one axon, and here is the bipolar neuron. Here is the dendrite. Okay, and this is the axon here. Like that, this is the pseudonuclear neuron. Here, the process is fused in one small process. Okay, and this is the dendrite, and this entire part is axon. Not this part axon, this part dendrite. No, the entire part is axon. The entire part is axon. Only these are the dendrites. Multiple neurons are motor neuron. What is the motor neuron? In the anterior gray horn of the spinal cord, we get motor neurons. Interneuron that connects the motor and sensory neuron. Pyramidal cell neuron. This is present in the cerebral cortex. Purkinje cells. These are present in the cerebellum. Okay, so we got that. Now we'll go to the synapses or synapses, site of functional contact between the neuron or between the neuron and the muscle. So neuromuscular junction is also a synapse. Okay. Neurotransmitter is released from the presynaptic membrane. From here, we have neurosecretory granule. It will go through the synaptic cleft and it will work on the cell body on this side. Okay. So synapses may be excitatory, inhibitory. It may be chemical. It may need neurotransmitter like acetylcholine. It may be electrical, the connection between two cells by means of gap junction. Okay, it is found in very much in the newborn or in the fetuses mostly. Okay, we got synapses may be excitatory, inhibitory, it may be chemical, it may be electrical. Okay, so that's all about the neuron anatomy. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. Please share information with your friends and please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. Have a nice day. Bye now.